Common ground between German culture and Indian philosophical origins. A mindset of becoming one with nature. A sensibility that perceives life in all things. Emphasis on meditation, breathing, and prayer. There are many curious parallels with India's classical thought, Vedic philosophy. The spirit of Japan's 8 million gods is said to share common ground with India's nature worship and the philosophy that consciousness dwells in all things. In ancient Indian medicine, Ayurveda, there exists the principle that diet which regulates the bowels and expels toxins is fundamental to treatment. Japan further developed this, establishing a fermentation culture of the highest global standard: miso, soy sauce, natto, pickles, koji, vinegar. Rice cultivation originating in India was refined in Japan, where rice evolved into a staple food, an offering to the gods, and even a therapeutic diet. Much like India's spice culture, Japan also embraces the philosophy of nourishing the body with rice and medicinal ingredients. Both India and Japan live in harmony with nature, cultivating a culture that views nature not as an adversary, but as divine. The sound of the wind, the flow of water, the sun, plants, animals, the belief that all things possess life, known as animism, is a shared philosophy. This fusion crystallized as the spirit of the 8 million gods, Shinto, and harmony. History of dietary therapy. The foundation of Japanese medicine lies in the principle that medicine and food share the same origin. Nara period. Dietary therapy combining medicinal herbs and ingredients begins. Heian to Kamakura periods. Zen monks further systematized dietary therapy from China and India. Edo period. Ishizuka Seigen systematizes food education and constitution improvement. Pre-war to post-war, traditional foods were used alongside medicine for treatment. While food being central to treatment in times without medicine was common worldwide, Japan was particularly advanced in systematizing this approach. Miso soup, rice gruel, pickled plums, ginger, and medicinal herb teas were employed as therapies to restore bodily balance.